Hey family, welcome to the Real Banking YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to set up Payid in Commonwealth Bank of Australia. So first of all, go to the Play Store or App Store, download the CommBank application and interface will be look like this. Complete your registration process and interface will be look like this. You can search for Payid from the search icon and search for the Payid, and if you don't find the Payid option, then you need to click on the profile icon. And friends, I am requesting to you, please hit the like button, and as we can see here is the option of the manage PID, so we just need to click on the manage PID option. Now friends, they are asking what type of PID would you like to register. We will use this detail we have on file to set up it with the mobile number or the email address. So I am going to select my mobile number, and by chance if you are facing any problem, then you can tell me in the comment section. I will surely try to help you. Choose an account to link to your PID. So I already selected the Smart Access account. After selecting your account, you just need to click on the confirm icon. I hide all informations due to privacy issue. Others may see this name when they pay you. You just need to click on the got it and your PID has been registered successfully. Friends, if you are facing any problem, then you can tell me in the comment section. I will surely try to help you. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching Real Banking YouTube channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Matram.